Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you free AI image enhancer AI image upscaler. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for dgb.law. You will be redirected to this type of website. Here, click on the Tools embed from the left side menu and all of the available tools for use will be displayed. This is a completely free website that you can use to do different things and editing. But in order to use its features, there is a little waiting time based on the number of users online. Simply open it up when you think the users will be less and you will get little to no waiting time. The second website on the list is PixelCut. Simply search for pixelcut.ai and you will be sent to this website. Here, click on Try PixelCut button at the bottom and then start by uploading an image. You can also try it out by using the example images if you want. You can see that it works flawlessly and is free of cost. Now, the last one on our list is Upscale. To access it, search for upscale.org. This is also a really great website as it provides its service for free as well. But in order to use it, you will need to enter a wait list. Simply enter your name and email to enter it, and it doesn't take much time before you are given access. An important thing about this upscaler is that it works on cloud. It means that you don't need to get a high-end PC in order to run it. A sufficient internet connection will be all you need. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.